Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday, so it's time to get the little chunky book out for the collage assignment set by Margarete Miller. So it's week, let's just see what week it is, week 30. Yep, week 30. So something maroon, graph paper, origami or another kind of folded paper, colourful paper, a place, and the bonus is a portion of a brochure or an advert. So I have switched out the something maroon with the bonus portion of a brochure or an advert. And I have my little bundle here of goodies. So I have graph paper, which is actually washi tape with graph paper on it. Yep. Origami, I have my little box here, which I have flattened down as an origami shape. Colourful paper, I have a piece of colourful paper here. A place is London, and a portion of a brochure or an advert is the advert. Note the slot, the best tooth powder in the best container. All the family may use the same box. Tooth powder. I guess it's like toothpaste. You just add water and it becomes a paste from years ago. So I will play around. I think I have already had a little go at some sort of thing, maybe like that, with my little origami box somewhere there, and then some washi tape once it's stuck down. And I think that's what we'll go with. Yeah, we'll stick that down. So this was from years ago, and it's stuck with me how to make this little origami box. So I've brought a piece of paper and I'm going to show you how to make that. Quickly make that little box and you can impress your friends and family. So you need a square piece of paper. It needs to be exactly square. And then we fold it corner to corner and then corner to corner, opening it up and then folding the points into the centre. Fold all 4 points into the centre. It's very similar to those little fortune teller games we used to make when we were kids. I don't know if you made them where you were, but you wrote numbers on one section and colours on another section, and then we turn it over and we put the 4 points into the middle again. We just get that one. And then you wrote silly things on the inside and you said, right, pick a colour, pick a number, and that's what you did. And then we just fold all of these back on themselves like that, and then we go round again and we make like a little fan. You see how you did that there? So we're just folding it down and then folding that wee point back up again, and folding down and folding back and folding down and folding back, and then we turn it over and then we just fold these points back up again to meet the straight part there, the edge, and that's your base. And then what we do is we make it into a box by squishing these pieces here and squishing these pieces in together like that. Ta-da! You have one origami box, and that is very useful for keeping your glue in, or let me see what else I could keep in there. I could keep some pins in there, some paper clips. I don't have any to hand at the moment, or I would show you, but you get the picture. So how cute is that little box? So all I did for this was I didn't squish it to open it. So that is that, just in a different size. So that's a little tutorial on an origami box for you. Right, okay, let's get this stuck down. Back to the job in hand. There we are. So welcome everyone. Welcome returning subscribers and new subscribers. Great to have you here. The little channel is growing apace. I'm super excited at the speed of growth. I've put that a little too high. It's not going to move, but that's fine. We'll just do that there. Yes, so my channel, I can't believe how many folks are coming to subscribe. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm just so grateful. Really am. So thanks everyone for sticking with me. And we're just going to put that there so that we can still see London. Lovely. And then we're going to put that about here, I think. Yep. So we'll get that stuck down. I got some new glue sticks, so I'm good to go. I ran out the other day. And I think we'll have that about there. It's quite thick, so need to give it a good push down. What do you think? And a little finishing touch with some washi graph paper. Let's just see. I think we'll give it a little tear. Yep. We'll do that. And then why not? Why not? So that's us. We've got graph paper, we've got origami, we've got colourful paper, a place, and an advert. So there we are. Thanks for joining me today, and yeah, take care. And where's my elastic? I've stuck it in. Yeah, take care, look after yourselves, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.